Take your car on a tropical vacation using Turtle Wax's Carnauba line. Each product in Turtle Wax's Carnauba line is formulated with maximum amounts of premium Carnuba, providing the most shine science allows. The first step in any wax regimen is a clean car, and lucky for us, our first product both safely cleans and waxes your car. Turtle Wax's Carnuba Tropical Wash and Wax features friction-reducing detergents that deliver a scratch-free wash while simultaneously waxing the paint surface. Provide roughly 2 ounces of Carnuba Wash and Wax for every gallon of water to be used, and agitate in your wash bucket to evenly mix and create bubbly suds. Out of direct sunlight or during a cloudy, overcast day, start the wash by rinsing all loose dirt and dust from the car to be washed. Once rinsed, take a wash mitt or microfiber towel and clean one large area at a time from top to bottom using the Tropical Wash and Wax suds. Once every panel has been covered and cleaned, and after enjoying the infused Caribbean Crush scent, simply rinse the vehicle again from top to bottom and dry. With a clean and dry vehicle, we move on to the next product in Turtle Wax's Carnuba line, Carnuba Paste Cleaner Wax. Using a damp applicator or microfiber towel, apply a thin layer of wax to a single section of your vehicle and allow time for the wax to dry to a dull haze. Once hazed over, remove the dried wax with a clean, dry microfiber towel and buff to a high shine. Infused with micropolishing agents that erase scuffs, scratches, and swirls, this easy-to-remove paste wax provides both durable protection and a brilliant shine. Next in Turtle Wax's Carnuba line is the Express Shine Carnuba Spray Cleaner Wax. Starting with a clean and dry vehicle, shake the spray cleaner wax bottle thoroughly. Next, lightly spray onto one painted section at a time and spread evenly throughout the section with a clean microfiber towel, lightly buffing until dry, clear, and shining. Turtle Wax's Express Shine Carnuba Spray Cleaner Wax delivers 3 times the premium Carnuba for long-lasting protection and brilliance on all paint types. We round off Turtle Wax's Carnuba line with the Carnuba Liquid Cleaner Wax. With a clean and dry vehicle, start by shaking the Carnuba Liquid Cleaner Wax bottle. Then, administer a small amount onto a damp applicator or microfiber towel and spread evenly throughout one section of paint at a time. Allow time to dry to a dull haze, and follow by wiping off with a clean, dry microfiber towel, buffing lightly to an effortless shine. Turtle Wax's Carnuba Liquid Cleaner Wax glides on with no resistance and utilizes a long-lasting 4-in-1 formula to clean, shine, fill, and protect. Whether it's the easy application, tropical scent, or brilliant results, Turtle Wax's Carnuba line takes the science of paint protection and shine to its limits in both ease of use and capability.